I wish I knew before my hair transplant. First, not all grafts will survive. Wait, what does it all mean? If a surgeon, for example, harvests 3,000 grafts and then plants them directly onto my recipient area, will I not end up having 3,000 grafts transplanted? Okay, let's take an example. This is Matt, and he's getting a FUE procedure of 3,000 grafts. The graft survival rate will mainly depend on how long the dissected graft will stay without oxygen and other nutrients provided by the blood supply. The most critical stress for a graft is its sudden separation from its blood supply. Therefore, grafts have to be dissected and then planted carefully and properly in a relatively short amount of time. Many surgeons unfortunately do not have such a large team and therefore are simply unable to properly perform larger procedures, so-called mega sessions of 2,500 and more grafts being transplanted during one session. The bottom line of the study says, the longer the time between grafts harvesting and grafts placement is, the worse survival rate of the grafts can be expected. Always make sure the team performing your surgery is skilled enough to minimize the time between. Great survival rates of 98% was observed by keeping the harvested grafts out of the body for not longer than 30 minutes and then planting them back in. However, the survival rate started to decrease in about 1 or 2% with every additional hour. This was just one thing I really wish I knew before my hair transplant, but if you would like to know more things I wish I knew before my hair transplant, please like this video and subscribe to my channel now to get more of these educational videos, and see you next time.